Well, earlier in the program, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson about how producers are helping cows get ready for calving season. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We always love Wednesdays here on the show because we have CommonGround volunteers come into the show here and, of course, share their expertise and some cooking with us. We're going to be baking today for Valentine's Day. We also have more CommonGround volunteers. These are wannabes, right?
They're brand new into the, yeah.
So you're just getting started with CommonGround. Where's everybody from?
Stromsburg.
Stromsburg?
Outside of Paxton and originally Wyoming.
Wow, okay.
Schuyler.
Columbus.
York.
And York. So we're kind of covering the whole state here today. They're in here watching to see if you want to do this, right?
Yes.
You're not afraid, are you? No. John and I don't bite. We're okay, right?
They're good. They're good.
They're good. So they're here today. They're going to taste test what we are doing here today.
Okay.
So tell us what we're making, Paula.
We are making Oreo ladybugs.
Okay.
Something fun that you can do with the kids and great in lunch boxes, and they're just fun.
Perfect.
They're pretty simple. When I do it at home, I do it in a smaller to microwave it, but to get it here,
Okay.
I thought I need to do it this way. So you just basically coat, oh, and I just broke one. Coat it in the red melted chocolate.
So part of it.
Right.
Like the back end of the ladybug.
Yeah, and then put some sprinkles on it.
Okay. This would be fun, of course, to do with the kids. They would
Yes,
love
this would be great, and because I've got a little bit bigger pot here, I'm going to have to do it this way in order to get it.
Where'd you get the recipe, or did you come up with it?
I know, it's one of those, I saw it on Pinterest and thought, oh, I bet I could do this. So I play with it and figure out, you know, what works. This is something, it is Christian approved.
Okay. Your grandson likes it. That's always a
grandson.
plus.
And
Okay.
then go ahead.
I need to be doing my job. Sorry.
That's okay. And
there we go. Okay. So
and then once they kind of set up, and I use the same frosting here to do my eyeballs.
Okay.
But I just put it on a toothpick, and that way you just kind of.
Okay, that's just to make them stick.
Yeah, just to make them stick.
Okay.
I won't make you do the messy part.
Okay.
And then you take the black gel. I know I broke that one.
Okay.
You take the black gel,
and
you
run-
just make a little line, so they're like wings.
Oh, okay. Just to separate there.
Yeah, just to make it fun.
So you can be a little artist here at home.
Yes.
Doing these.
Yeah.
Fun. And that's all there is to it? Oh, I
That's
forgot this
literally all there is to it. This is like one of the easiest things I've done. Tom likes them.
Well, you got grandkid approved. You
Yeah.
also have husband approved,
Yeah.
right? So we're good here.
So-
Okay, so you just kind of continue this.
Yeah, and the thing is, you can make them for however or many or few as you want.
Here's the finished product. Look how cute these are. So little Oreos that are transformed into ladybugs.
Yeah.
Which would be cute for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So make that with the kids this weekend. Very easy to follow. If you need to follow the instructions, we do have it on our Facebook pages. So, all right, we're going to let the ladies try these here and see what they think. So, Paula, thank you.
No worries. I appreciate getting to come.
She just keeps working.
Well, he's missing an eyeball. We have to.
Got to have it complete. All right, back to you, John.